It's quarantine time with MayaLane, and today is day 10 of my Vlogmas. And today I'm opening day number 10 of my friend's advent calendar. Yay! I'm super excited. So, how's everyone's day been? My day has been pretty good. But this is one of the cards. And this is the second, this is the third, and this is the final one that was in day 10. My day was pretty good because I had a really great day at work. The kids were listening to me today, which was super nice. I had an essay that I started this morning. It's pretty fun. I'm comparing an article to the book called Born a Crime by Trevor Noah. And during the semester, I got to annotate and read the book and make dialectical journals. So if you guys don't know what that is, you pull a quote from the book and then you make your own reactions and everything and responses to the book. It's pretty much a fun time. And tomorrow, I'm really excited for tomorrow's video because besides that it's day 11 of my Vlogmas, I'm going to be doing a Christmas wish list video. I hope you guys are excited as I am for tomorrow's video, and hope you guys have a great rest of your night, and rave out.